The path to true wealth creation lies in a steadier, more strategic approach, building a forever portfolio. Imagine setting up a financial foundation today that blossoms into a robust, thriving garden by the time you're ready to retire. That's the essence of investing in exchange-traded funds. These aren't just any investments. They're the kind you pick with a future in mind, your retirement future, to be precise. In this video, we'll look at the top 8 ETFs you can buy and hold forever to build wealth. Let's dive right in. ETFs, short for exchange-traded funds, are like big baskets that hold many types of companies. ETFs mix investments like stocks or bonds, making things simpler and less bumpy compared to just holding one stock. ETFs are a great option if you don't want to pick and choose individual stocks. They work like a single stock that you can buy or sell, but inside, they're a mix of many stocks. This mix can help spread out your risk because you're not just relying on one company. You can find all sorts of ETFs out there. Some include a portfolio of top-performing companies such as the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Others zoom in on certain themes like technology or banking, letting you invest in specific types of businesses. When the stock market is volatile, putting your money into just one company can be pretty risky. If that company doesn't do well, you could lose a lot of money. However, when investing in ETFs, you avoid large losses when the market is volatile, since the ETF is comprised of multiple companies. Because there are various companies within an ETF, if one of them isn't doing so well, it doesn't impact the stock price significantly, because the others might be doing just fine. This mix usually helps make ETFs a safer investment than putting all your money into one stock. When diving into the world of ETFs, it's important to keep a close eye on the expense ratio. This is basically how much of the fund's assets are used every year to cover various costs like management fees, administrative expenses, and marketing. If an ETF has an expense ratio of 1%, it means 1% of the fund's total assets are dedicated to these expenses annually. Now, let's explore the 8 different ETFs you can buy and hold to build wealth. Number 1. Schwab US Small Cap ETF. The first ETF on our list that's a strong candidate for holding onto for the long term is the Schwab US Small Cap ETF. This is a great option for those who believe in the growth potential of smaller companies over the long term. With $16 billion in assets and very low expense ratio of just 0.04%, it's an affordable way to invest in this sector. SCHA stands out because it gives you access to a wide range of smaller and mid-sized companies that could grow faster than the big names we all know. This ETF doesn't lean towards either growth or value stocks specifically. It's all about giving you a broad mix. With nearly 1,700 different stocks in its portfolio and an average market cap of about $3.3 billion for each position, SCHA offers a diversified entry point in the dynamic world of small-cap stocks. If your investment strategy is aimed at capturing the long-term growth of the stock market by investing in the potential stars of tomorrow, getting involved with SCHA can provide a solid starting point. It offers broad exposure to small and mid-sized companies that could become tomorrow's market leaders, making it a key piece in the puzzle for anyone looking to build a robust, long-term investment portfolio. Number 2. Invesco QQQ Trust. The second ETF to consider for a buy and hold forever strategy is the Invesco QQQ Trust, which boasts a massive $249 billion in assets. With an expense ratio of 0.2%, it is a bit more costly than some other ETFs, but for good reason. This ETF is tailored for investors looking to lean heavily into the high growth potential of the technology sector. By mirroring the NASDAQ 100 index, the Invesco QQQ Trust includes the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. This means you'll be investing in some of the biggest and most influential tech companies out there, like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, which are known for their substantial market presence and innovative capabilities. While the Invesco QQQ does provide a taste of other sectors, the focus is firmly on technology, making up more than half of the ETF's total assets. For those looking to lean their portfolio towards the dynamic and ever-evolving tech industry, the Invesco QQQ Trust presents an attractive option for long-term growth. Number 3, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The third ETF to consider for a lifelong investment strategy is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known by its ticker VOO. This giant has an impressive $389 billion in assets, showcasing its popularity and the trust investors have in it. The great thing about VOO is that it boasts an incredibly low expense ratio of just 0.03%, which means it costs only $3 annually for every $10,000 invested. This makes VOO an exceptionally cost-effective option for long-term investors. VOO is tied to the S&P 500 index, which is a collection of the 500 largest U.S. companies and a benchmark followed around the world for U.S. stock market performance. This makes VOO one of the most straightforward and efficient ways to invest in the U.S. stock market over the long term. It stands out as a potentially better choice for those focused on the long haul due to its lower costs. This ETF is a simple solution for anyone looking to gain exposure to the biggest and most influential companies in the US, like Apple and Microsoft, without the complication of higher fees or of other investment options. Number 4, Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index ETF. The Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index ETF is the fourth ETF to consider. It's an excellent choice for investors who prioritize stability and consistent returns over the fast growth that riskier stocks might offer. With $51 billion in assets and a low expense ratio of just 0.06%, VYM is a great ETF that provides investors with exposure to nearly 500 dividend-paying stocks. Dividends are essentially a share of a company's profits distributed to its shareholders, usually every 3 months. This regular income stream can enhance the overall performance of your investment, showing that the company is profitable and financially strong enough to distribute cash to its shareholders. VYM zeroes in on companies known for their solid, above-average dividend payments. This focus means investors can enjoy a steady income from their investments alongside the potential for capital appreciation. It's a solid choice for those looking to invest for the long term with a more conservative income-generating approach. Number 5, iShares Core US Aggregate Bond ETF. The fifth option on our list is a bit different from the others. It's called the iShares Core US Aggregate Bond ETF, or AGG for short. Unlike the other ETFs that invest in companies' stocks, AGG focuses on bonds, which are like loans you give to the government or companies. They pay you back with interest, making them a source of steady income. AGG is a big deal in the bond world, with $101 billion in assets and a super low expense rate of just 0.03%. What's also great about AGG is its yield, which is the interest you earn, sitting at 4.3%. That's a lot higher than the average yield from stocks in the S&P 500, which is around 1.5%. Plus, bonds are generally less risky than stocks, making AGG a solid base for your investment portfolio, especially if you're thinking of the long term. If you're looking to make your money work for you with less worry about big market swings, AGG is worth considering. Number 6, SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, also known as SPY, is a big name when it comes to ETFs. It's one of the very first ETFs to hit Wall Street starting back in 1993, and it follows the S&P 500 index, which is a group of the largest U.S. companies. Today, SPY is huge, with about $280 billion in assets. This shows that it's not just a passing trend, it's a major player with a long history of success. If you're interested in investing in well-known companies like Microsoft and Johnson & Johnson, SPY is considered the top choice. It's the benchmark or gold standard for investors wanting to invest in the biggest American companies. And even though its fees, with a gross expense ratio of about 0.0945% annually, might not be the absolute lowest out there, they're still really low. This means that for every $10,000 you invest in SPY, the fees would be less than $10 a year, making it a cost-effective way to invest in a broad range of some of the most successful companies in the US. Number 7, iShares iBox Investment. Moving on to number 7, we have the iShares iBoxx Investment Grade Corporate Bond Fund, known as LQD. While many people immediately think of stocks when they hear ETFs, LQD stands out as a popular choice for those looking to invest in bonds. It's a heavyweight in the world of exchange-traded products, managing more than $36 billion in assets. LQD is packed with over 1,000 different bonds from companies that are considered safe bets. These are investment-grade bonds, meaning they're issued by companies with low risk of running into financial trouble or not being able to pay back their debts. This includes reliable companies like Apple and Citigroup. With such solid firms in its portfolio, LQD is a great option for anyone looking to build a long-term portfolio, offering a mix of safety and steady returns from the corporate bond market. It's an excellent way to diversify and add a layer of stability to your investment portfolio. Number 8. Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Wrapping up our list at number 8 is the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, also known by its ticker VXUS. With $63 billion in assets and a low expense ratio of just 0.07%, VXUS offers something a bit different from the rest: geographic diversification. This fund takes you on a global tour, investing around 8,500 stocks from across the world, but with a catch: it doesn't include any companies based in the United States. Even though you might recognize some of the companies in the VXUS, like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing or Nestlé SA from Switzerland, these aren't the names you'll find in the US, only ETFs that track indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. That's what makes VXUS special. It gives you a slice of the action in established global companies located outside the US, broadening your investment horizon and providing a valuable layer of diversification to your portfolio. If your goal is to have a well-rounded, long-term portfolio that spans across the globe, adding the VXUS can be a smart move. It not only exposes you to international markets, but does so with the backing of Vanguard's reputation for low-cost, high-quality investment products. Investing in ETFs like these can provide you with exposure to a wide array of sectors, geographic regions, and investment strategies, all while maintaining the flexibility and lower costs associated with exchange-traded products. The idea of buy and hold forever in investing is about embracing patience, recognizing the power of compound growth, and staying the course through market ups and downs. Which ETF stood out for you? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content and financial insights. Additionally, please share this video with someone who you know could probably use this information. Thanks for watching.